here we are going into the Bathyspheres Deluxe. The chapter should be ending right here at this door, but it doesn't. So I quit the game and had to redo the whole chapter again. See what I do for you? So I'm just going to go and continue with my plan to grab the Peeping Tom upgrade.
It's him. It's the Big Daddy. The one that killed me.
You can't trade blows with him.
Comstock put him down and he got right back up. I can't hurt him. I could keep my distance, but if I watched myself, he could come in handy. Enemy of my enemy.
And we're going to the left, looking for the Manta Ray Lounge. There it is.
Let's see this through together.
Break's over. Back to the office.
And they won't follow you into these places. So here we are in the Manta Ray Lounge. Nothing behind the desk or anything. But just be wary, because once we get into the bar, there's going to be a guy pretty much immediately. So crouch down.
Glenda. She's gotta know I know.
Bonk. Gotta be quicker than that. And we're going to go off to our left here. This is more story related. We're not actually supposed to be here until later, but it's not like the door is locked or anything. I'll save the audio logs for when we show up. Get the lady on the light fixtures. We're going in there. We'll drop this guy when he comes over here. Very good.
Curious. Most curious.
Got this guy. And there's one wandering around in there, and he'll probably be alerted when we step into the water. So just keep an eye out. Wait for him to go back up to the turret. And that's what we're here for. The Peeping Tom plasmid. You can see it highlighted there in blue. Or the Peeping Tom plasmid upgrade.
Unaccustomed to such strange noises.
This guy's eventually going to come down and we'll have to deal with him.
Give me the cold shoulder.
No excuse for a racket. Come out and show yourself.
I ain't through with you yet.
We're not finished.
Okay, now switch over to possession for the turret. And we're going to sneak up there. And here you go. Peeping Tom Cloak Mod. Congratulations! You've just won the game. Removes the Eve cost for invisibility while standing still. Indispensable for 1999 mode. And here it is, very early in the game. We're probably like 30 minutes in. Now let's just scooch our way out of here, and I'll play this audio log as I wander out of here and make my way to the Silverfin.
I never thought anyone would be able to bring all these degenerate splice heads in the line. I gotta hand it to Atlas. After Ryan locked us up in this pit, I thought that was it. Just a long, final dive into the abyss. But he's given us hope. Or what passes for it down in Rapture. When a person's got nothing, hopes about the kindest thing you can give her. Or the cruelest.
Now I should explain a little bit what the upgrade does. The intermediate upgrade will remove the cost for Eve when you just do a little blip, like that. But that doesn't really matter because we'll just hold it, and now we're invisible, and we can still see everybody through walls. So why get the intermediate upgrade even later than this when you could come down here to the Manta Ray Lounge and get this immediately? And hey, if that's all you came here to see, thank you very much for watching. But please, I implore you, I implore thee, watch the rest of the walkthrough. There's going to be lots of other tips and tricks and goodies. We're going to make our way to the Silverfin. That's off to our right.
Just a few calls there, time to time. What of it?
Turn your back.
Told this town was friendly to free enterprise.
See what a difference that makes? He's got me now. Got him.
Restaurants? They'll put a roach in your salad as soon as a tomato. I'll make dinner tonight.
Here comes the Big Daddy too. Let's just stay nice and invisible. Bonk.
That you, honey? Come back. I just want to talk, is all. Seems to me you're against not making honest buck.
Looks like he's not going to come up here. And that's what we're going. The Silverfin Restaurant. One of the big tough things in the 1999 mode is you can't make the little directional arrow to show you where you need to go. But it's a cool game. You should really explore.
The Silverfin. This used to be a restaurant when I first came through. Now it belongs to this Suchong. Looks like I'm not the first one who tried to get in here. Well, at least he left a trail.
And let's follow it.
Somebody must have shot him when he tried to break into Suchong's. Huh. What's this? Well, seems like central heating came from this room, so it would stand to reason that the ductwork should go to Suchong's. Wait a minute.
First, the law against bribery. Then, you'll want some fella in my prison. What's next? Martial law?
Suchong wasn't exactly a master of subterfuge.
I like that right now in Rapture, the only splicers are the down and outs. Like the bad salesmen, the bad actors, and stuff like that. And eventually the city degrades to the point that like even the once prosperous are all just spliced out maniacs. Just sitting there making bad sales pitches to themselves. Yeah, go and grab that Peeping Tom upgrade. It'll totally change the way you play the game. And if you feel it's cheap, hey, you're more than welcome to not grab it.
No sign of him now.
Either he's dead, or working for Ryan. Columbia. He knew about Columbia. And Booker and me. The Sutron must have found a way to reopen the tear I made to come here. But how? A Lutece device. That's how he must have reopened the tear. Look, the tear still leads back to Columbia. Plasmids, vigors. He and Fink must have been in communication, sharing secrets. Like the Luteces before they were physically together. Why did I need to come here? What does this have to do with Sally?
You remember, don't you?
It hasn't happened yet? I told you I can't do that anymore.
Concentrate, Elizabeth.
No, the doors are shut. They're... Lutece particle. I use the Lutece particle. If it can make a city float.
It can make a prison rise.
I can't open tears, but we could use this device to go to Columbia and find a particle. But it's been vandalized.
You'll fix it.
Sure. You know, my tower didn't come stocked with the Lutece device repair manual.
You will fix it.
Yeah, I'll just...
Elizabeth, you will fix it.
Okay. Okay, there must be some information around here.
Be sure to grab that lockpick, and we're gonna go find that information and pick up some audio logs.
And before I knew it, Ryan had me bounced out of my own restaurant. And that Korean had the run of the place. It was a good business, I tell you. I never should have told anyone about that light. About those weird buildings I saw floating in the clouds. And most of all, I never should have told no one about that girl who showed up one day in that old-timey blue dress.
Giant balloons, ridiculous. Put that on a bumper sticker. And here's the way to continue.
These are elements. Sodium, titanium. Why would these be on schematics for... It's code. A Visionaire cipher. If we assume hydrogen is A, and iron, the 26th element, is C...
You always used to need a code key.
It's right here. Never underestimate the fallibility of the egomaniac. Looks like a punch list for things Suchong needs to fix the machine. A cold cathode tube, a carbon dioxide scrubber, and a heatsink. Any of the vending machines should have the cathode tube. And we can look for a CO2 scrubber in the bathysphere showroom. A lot of models should have them. A heat sink. Oh, that's... Where in a department store are we gonna find...
Keep your cool with Old Man Winter.
That'll work. Time to find those parts. And then I just have to repair the most sophisticated piece of technology ever created.
Elizabeth, you saw yourself make this repair. You can do this.
Whatever you say. Guess we better find our way out of here. Atlas, you there? I need a favor.
A favor? I don't suppose you've conjured up the miracle you promised yet?
I'm working on it. I'm gonna need some Old Man Winter.
You might try where they hawk them new bathyspheres. As I hear it, Old Man Winter's the only thing keeps their batteries from bursting into flames after 5 minutes.
Thanks.
Think nothing of it. But it's the last favor you'll be getting.
Before I was so rudely interrupted, let's play that audio log.
Problem. Big Daddy will not imprint on the little brats. Yet Fink succeeded in imprinting his disgusting bird on his subject. How has Fink, this stupid man, succeeded where Suchong failed? If Suchong could obtain hair sample of Fink's subject, Suchong could determine delta of genetic material with little sister. Proof is in DNA pudding.
Let's just get out of the Silverfin, and I'll probably call it a video. Uh-oh, busted.
Motive for vandalism of Suchong device is dead.
If you can get me.
Even for pretty lady.
I suppose you'd be Suchong. Save your ammunition, your device doesn't work.
Device at work. Vandal sabotage. You are vandal.
Actually, I intend to fix your device. That is, unless you plan on coming down here and doing it yourself.
It's not prudent for Suchang to return to lab. You say you can fix?
I broke your code, didn't I? Now just give me the one to open that door and we'll see what your creation can do.
1216.
Your birthday?
Enough talk. Fix machine.
How'd you know that?
Never underestimate the fallibility of the egomaniac.
Watching for that autosave, and there it is. Hey, thank you very much for watching, and for the next video, we'll be filling out the shopping list, grabbing all those things listed before. Thank you very much, and have a good one.